engaged and were soon going to marry. It was winter time and very cold. Joseph said to Mary, Mary, I wish we did not have to go to Bethlehem at this time of the year, especially now when you're expecting a baby.
Mary said to Joseph, Don't worry, Joseph. Wait and see, everything will work out fine. God will look after us.
When Joseph and Mary arrived at Bethlehem, things did not look easy at all. There were so many other people going to Bethlehem, and they had already reached before Mary and Joseph. All the houses, hotels, and inns were full. There was no room left anywhere. Joseph knocks at the door. Do you have any room in the inn? The man said, No, we do not have any room. Kindly go and find some other place. Mary led Mary to the next inn and knocked at the door. Do you have any room in your house? Sorry, we have too many guests already and do not have any room left. Things did not look good at all. There were so many other people to be counted. Joseph goes further. Joseph said to her, Thank you very much. May God reward you for your kindness. He used to grace. The shepherd who looked after them had to sleep out in the open at night, taking turns to stay awake. The shepherd said, Today the sky looks lovely and the night is so bright. Yes, I have never seen so many stars before shining so bright. I am glad to see so many bright stars and the sky is so wonderful. Today I want to stay awake and don't want to miss this beautiful night. As they were admiring the stars, suddenly an angel appeared to them. The whole area was filled with bright light. This woke up the other shepherds who looked at the angel with great fear because they had never seen such like this. The angel said to them,
Don't be afraid. I have great news for you. Today, Jesus has been born. He is the Savior of the world. You will find him lying in a manger in a stable at Bethlehem. Just follow the star and it will lead you there. And don't worry about your sheep because God will look after them.
And the shepherd followed the stars. Meanwhile, somewhere off, three kings making their way through the night appeared. They have been traveling for months. They came from different parts of the world and now by chance meet together. They came following the bright stars. They were the wisest men and they could study the stars. According to them, the stars in the sky was the sign that the King of the world is born. Laid him in a manger. Then both she and Joseph could hardly believe their eyes that Jesus, the Savior of the world, has been born and he is going to live with them. The shepherds reached. and entered the stable. "This is the baby we are looking for," and they kneeled down. Mary said to them,
How did you know that we are here?
The shepherd said, "While we were keeping watch over our sheep, an angel appeared to us and told us everything, and we followed the star and came here."
Mary said to them, We are happy that you are here to share our joy. This is the day we will always remember.
Then the wise men too reached the place. "At last we have found the Savior of the world, the King of Kings. Our search was not in vain." Then, one by one, they placed their gifts at the feet of Jesus. They offered caskets of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Christmas brings us lots of joy as the King of gifts, lights, cribs, sweets, holiday spirit, and so on. But remember, Christmas means much more. It is the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ.